Put your finger here.
You put your finger like this and spin around.
Whoa! A booga 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 boo. What happened? What'd you do? How'd he hurt himself? Come here, let me see. Are you okay? Hold on, Levi hurt himself. Where's your boo-boo? Show me your boo-boo. Did you bang your head pretty good, buddy? You okay?
You okay?
Everybody come give Levi a kiss. Give him a kiss on his head. Come give him a kiss.
You have
Olivia, we need a kiss from you.
purple, blue, green, and then
Yeah, I got my pride bracelet
and then
on.
you have yellow,
Olivia,
yellow, and then
come
you
give your
have
brother a kiss.
orange, and then you have
Come
red,
give Levi a
and
kiss
then
for
you
us.
have blue.
There we
What
go.
you have in your
Okay,
bag?
are you guys ready to see what I got you?
Yeah.
You ready to see? Okay, go in the living room. Come on. You okay? Mwah. Let me see. Okay, go see. I got a surprise. You okay, buddy?
What you have in your bag?
Okay, let's go in the living room. Come on. I got fidget spinners.
Wow.
Oh, that's for you. That's for you. Okay. And that's for you.
That's a blue one?
You got a blue one. You got 2 red ones and an orange one. You okay, buddy?
You want to open it?
Yeah, let's open it. We can open them.
Mommy!
Here, I'll open them.
Mommy, look at that! Look at that!
Go show Dad. Go show Mommy. We got some cool fidget spinners. Do you think it's cool? Kayla, want to open them?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. No, bring it in here. I'll show you. I want to show you how to use it, okay?
Okay.
Here, you ready? Here, let me show you. So you go like this. Let me show you. I'm going to show you.
Okay.
You didn't even let me do it. Okay, hold it like this. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let go, let go. I'm not good at this either.
You have to do this.
Okay, Emily can show you.
You have to put your hand on your fingers.
No.
Just thinking Alexa did.
Yeah, that's how Auntie Alexa was doing it. Okay, come on over here, guys. Let's do it over here.
Okay.
Hey, here's yours. Okay, ready? Watch this, Livy. Watch. Let go. Here we go. Whoa.
I can do it.
Okay, you want me to open yours, buddy?
No, it's okay. I can open yours.
No, here. You want to leave yours? You want me to open yours? You want to leave yours closed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it up.
I'm
You excited?
I will open that the box.
You say hi, everybody?
Hi. I will open that.
No, this one's Levi's.
I will give it to him.
Okay, give it to Levi. No. What does it matter which color you have? It's the same.
Is it mine?
Huh?
Is it mine?
Yeah, that one's yours.
No, is it mine?
You want me to spin it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hold the camera on Daddy.
Okay.
Okay, hold it. You see me? Okay, ready? Whoa! 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 Okay, again?
Yeah.
Whoa! 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 My turn? You want me to do it? All right, I got 2. Whoa! Whoa! Let me see. Get it on me. Get it on me. Whoa! All right. Here. Here's your fidget spinner. Yep. Okay, go sit on the couch and we'll get your fidget spinner all set up. Come on over here, guys. Oh, sorry, Livy. Okay. Come over, sit on the couch.
I can't move it.
Yeah, you gotta hold it like this.
Oh.
Let me see where your hands are. Hold it like this. See? There we go. You're all done. Okay, your turn. Okay.
You can have the boy.
Give me your thumb. We're gonna trade. See, that's the cool thing. They're the same thing, but different colors. Olivia, you like your fidget spinner? You don't like it, you put it back in the box. You want me to spin for you?
Mine.
Yeah, that's yours. Okay, here we go. Ready? Whoa.
Mine.
Your turn?
Mine.
I'm not very good at it, but... Whoa! You want me to do yours?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Whoa! Your turn?
Yeah.
Emily, where's yours?
Mine.
Here I go. Whoa!
Harvey. Go.
Did Harvey get your toes?
Yeah.
Well, you like your fidget spinner? You guys like your fidget spinner? You like it? All done? Okay, thank you. Oh, guess they didn't like it. Maybe in a couple years they'll like it. Whoa. Uh-oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's not broken. Is Harvey being funny on your feet? Hi, Harvey.
Broken.
It's not broken.
It's
You got a
going-
kiss for me?
It's going to be broken, so I'm going to leave it. And then you're going to get me a new one, right?
No. These are new.
No, I'm...
Yeah, what colors is that? Blue?
You're going to get me another color. Like,
What color you have?
red.
That's it. And what color is that, Olivia? Say orange. And what color has Jackson got?
Blue.
Is that red?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's red.
You're going to give me another
Oh, I
color.
like-
You're going to get another color like yellow or...
I lied. I
You
lied.
going
That's
to-
Jackson.
You're going to get another color.
That's Levi.
You're going to...
All done.
No. Turn around. Daddy.
Yeah.
You're going to get another color like yellow or...
You can get all kinds of different colors.
You're going to get all the colors?
I might get all the colors if you like them, but I don't know, guys. Let's see if I like them.
No, I'm going to have two colors.
What colors you want?
I'm going to have yellow or pink or green or blue.
Okay.
I'm going to have two ones.
Is that 2?
Yeah.
That's 4.
Oh.
This 2.
Oh.
That's 4. And got
Oh.
your hand.
No.
Oh,
Mommy.
there we go. Mommy will, Mommy's showing everybody how to use this fidget spinner.
And my turn.
Whoa, she's being creative.
Yeah, I know. Look at me on camera. I look so bad. Hold on.
Whoa,
Wait.
look how fast it's going.
Whoa. Whoa. Awesome. Whoa. Awesome. Okay, I'm distracted by fidget spinners.
Awesome fidget spinners. Oh, buddy. Did that hurt? You're always bumping your head.
Daddy, Olivia got like this.
Olivia did it? Whoa, Olivia, look, you're doing it. Nice job. Okay, go do it with Olivia. Go.
And then get this hand.
You gonna go too? Okay, come on, let's go.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, hold your finger.
This point is to spin
Hold your
it.
finger and spin it.
Okay, spin it. Use this hand and spin
Okay,
it.
so hold your finger. Yep, now spin it. Like, hold it here. There you go. Good job. Whoa!
Okay, wanna do it? put your finger here.
You put your finger like this and spin around.
Whoa! Yep, put it on the floor.
Whoa!
Okay, ready?
Put your finger on.
Hey, spin it.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! Put
Whoa!
your finger on quick so everyone can do it.
Emily's doing it too?
Whoa! Woohoo! Why are you going so fast? Well, you're just still going, Emily. Again? Okay, put your finger on.
Alright, so I guess this was the best $8 I've ever spent so far.
Yeah.
Good job, Dad. Good job.
That's for the win.
You guys like them? Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.